Hi guys, my name is Darshan. Welcome back to a new video from It's Darsh. So in today's video we are going to be making this. This is obviously, as you know, Silver Surfer. So we're going to be making this today with, as you can see, it's made of foil. This skateboard's made of cardboard. And if you don't know Silver Surfer, he's a character from the Marvel comic universe. You might have seen him in movies like Fantastic Four. So yep, we're going to be making this bad boy today. So yep, let's get started. So we need to first take some foil right now. Here, regular piece of foil, and we need to first split the whole thing as we do normally into the torso, legs, hands, and head. So what I usually do is, if you guys don't know, I make a small small tail like thing that I use as the neck. Then I make a separate piece with small piece of foil as the head. So now let's make the legs. Let's go with the legs. So Silver Surfer is he's muscular and it's not that fat like other superheroes. So let's make the legs. Guys, I'm shooting this on my new phone, so just let me know if the quality is good and you guys can understand what I'm doing. Okay guys, so we're done with the legs. Now let's go on with the body. Let's make the torso. Now let's put this part into his neck. Put it in, just put some pressure in. So it's going to be the neck. Let's put this in, focus. Okay, so now let's go on with the hands. First, the shoulder is also obvious. We're going to do some overlapping on this one. So yeah, let's make the second hand. Just do the back here a little bit. Now let's get up with the hand almost. We can actually cut some parts of the hand off, like we don't need this much for the hand. We don't need that much. Just shapen up the hand a little bit. Yeah guys, so I'm done with some of the main parts. So now let's do some overlapping. As you can see, the torso looks very skinny, so we need to add some muscle to the legs and the body. So now let's do that. So I'm taking some foil right here, so we're going to fold that into two. I'm going to leave that here. Fold that into two right there. And fold this once. And take it here, and then fold it in. Spread that in so it looks like it's just shingle. Make sure the hands are like equally length, but yep, that looks good. As you can see, the torso looks perfect. Now it's more with the legs. I've taken some foil right here for legs, so we're going to split that into two as well. We're going to use this for the lower leg, and then the other piece for the upper leg. So just move that here. Now let's use this piece, make the upper calf, make the thigh. Now let's do the same procedure for the other leg. Alright guys, so I've done the channel for overlapping. As you can see, it looks really good now. Looks perfect. So now we just need to do one thing, which is obviously the head. So we're going to be taking some foil right here. Sorry about my creaky chair. Can't buy a new one, so I'll just overlap this like that. And take some more foil. Take some more foil. Just gonna overlap it. I'll be taking my scissors and cutting that excess foil off. Just shaping it a bit. And there you go. And there you go. So guys, you're done with the figure. So now we just have one more thing to do, which is basically this, which is the surfboard, obviously. And we'll be making that in a second right now. And yeah, let's start. Alright guys, so I made up a cardboard sketch of the skateboard. So this is going to be the size of a skateboard. So I've taken a character. So this is going to be how the character, how Silver Surfer. So this is going to be how Silver Surfer sits on a skateboard. So I've checked it and it looks perfect. Looks really good. So the size is perfect. So now we're going to cut this out. So guys, I've cut out the skateboard. As you can see, the size is really good. Keep a character. Yup, looks really nice. So now what we're going to do, as expected, we're going to cover this thing in foil. So I've taken a foil piece right here. So as you can see, this stretch right here is going to be what is going to be covered. So we keep a thing like this. Oh, I bet you guys can see. So I kept it like this. Place it like this. Just hold up. So I kept it like this. Now I just need to cover this. And once like this. Once again like this. And then again like this. As you can see, the front looks really clean. Let's cover the edges like this. And then we're going to be taking our scissors, cutting out the excess. It doesn't matter if there's excess, as long as it's like not necessary. You just need to cut it off. Cut that off and then just flatten it a little bit. Just spread it there. There you have the skateboard. I mean, surfboard. Sorry. And then, if you guys want, we can actually smoothen this up a little bit. Don't worry with the bottom. We will actually need it to actually stick it into the base, so don't worry about the bottom here. If you want, you can just smoothen it a little bit. And yep, there we have the surfboard. So guys, now that we have both of the main components done, we can just take them both, join them, and there you have Silver Surfer on his surfboard. Really good. And now there's probably one thing that's remaining, which is obviously sticking these two together. so I'll stick that and I'll be right back. So guys, there you guys have it. We have finally finished our Silver Surfer. As you can see, the proportions are perfect. He's surfing, and I'll put some super glue here as well. So I've not put as much over here, so you can like change it like this and like this and like this, so it looks much more realistic. As you can see, this looks really good. As you can see, he's attempting to make a turn, so it looks much more realistic. And this side as well, I recommend to put it like this. If you want to make a stand, you can do so over here, like I did for my previous Among Us video. So yep, there you guys have it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications bell to know if I upload any more videos. And as always, bye bye, peace.